The third subpage of the auto attendant service setup is the calendar menu. This is where you set up special message announcement if the announcement falls outside of your standard scheduler call flow messaging. Now, to set up a calendar, you have to first select the auto attendant service account first, so that your calendar will save according to this service account that you have chosen. Then click on the calendar page, and you notice this is the service account that you are setting up the calendar for. Now, to create a new calendar, let's say our coming National Day, which is 9 August. So I select 9 August, then I click on the add button. Then you notice this new day is added. So let's say this is a holiday announcement I want to make. So to further set up this particular calendar, I double click on it to open up a calendar setup menu. This is a start date. Do I have an end date? If there's an end date, I shall select, let's say, on the 10th. So the holiday starts from 9 until the 10th. The start time is, by default, is always midnight to midnight. Typically, holiday lasts the whole day. So it's midnight to midnight. And then, what message file I want to play? Do I want to play a default message, which what the system just do is you just announce we are closed for holiday. Otherwise, you can choose the pre-built-in messages like, for example, Christmas Day, Chinese New Year, company, event, day, Deepavali, Good Friday, and so on and so forth. And then you may want to key in the description for this particular calendar day. Once you are done, you can click Save to save this setting. You notice that this script file. Now, what does this script file do? Remember earlier on when I mentioned on the auto attendant account, you have this holiday script setting in the auto attendant setup. You may want to have a very special message meant for this particular day. Once you created the call flow, you can choose that particular message from here, so that it will bypass the default setting and use this IVR call flow setup from this page. Now this is a quite important enhancement to the calendar, which means to say not only will this page be used just for simple holiday announcement, you can use this to play some special customized call flow outside of the standard call flow menu that you set up in your scheduler. If you need to duplicate this entire setup to all other days, you just click on copy all, copy to all. Then you will duplicate this entire setting to all other auto attendants, so that you do not need to go to every one of them and repeat. For example, let's say you have multiple tenants, you have 10 auto attendants, and then you need to set up holiday for every one of them. So you just need to create one and then you copy to all. But do take note, copy to all means you really copy to all of them. You have 10 means you copy to 10 of them. Whether you need them or not, you still duplicate it. And then all those records inside the existing auto attendant will be overwritten. So you have to make sure when you do the copying that you really is duplicating exactly what you set up down here. Then once you're done, you save it. To remove a calendar, just click on it and click the delete button. Another small interface I would like to show you is the, let's say this setting is on May 2014. This setting is on May. Now it's already June. So let's say May 5th. this holiday extend up to the 10th, let's say. Now, make sure the date must fall on or after the start date. You cannot be, you can't have a start date and then your end date is before the start date. You'll prompt you an error. Let me create a new date to show you some of the things. Let's add a new date, 7th September. And I choose save it up to the 10th. Now do know that on this calendar you have this highlighted dates, which means to say they are the chosen calendar dates. Let's say if I go back to April, you'll notice all these highlighted green dates are all the dates that I set up down here. So at one glance you can see which are your holiday dates that you set up in your calendar.